Meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to our Tuesday forecast. That is going to start kind of warm, stay kind of warm. The issue will be what kind of showers do we get today, and does that limit where the temperatures can go? Record high for today is 80. We probably need a little more sunshine than we're going to get there. But I wouldn't be surprised at all if some spots got awfully close, especially if it takes a little while for these showers to slide into our area. I don't see much on the radar around here, at least not this morning. Maybe this afternoon we have a chance to get a couple, and by then there'll be a pretty good time for chances for temperatures to climb on up into the middle and upper 70s. Here's a look at Futurecast. Lots of clouds and these showers that are trying to move our way. Some could have a little bit of oomph to them. Now, I'm not expecting widespread, everybody gets wet kind of showers and storms, but the potential for a couple of stronger storms is there. The potential for a couple of decent downpours is there. And there's going to be a lot of clouds throughout the region today, which should probably limit where the temperatures can go. Better chance to get showers is actually going to come tomorrow as the boundary itself gets a little help and moves through the area. Now, there is a marginal risk for some strong to even severe thunderstorms. That does include a big chunk of our area. And what that means is that it's a non-zero threat out there. It's a very small threat. When we're talking about marginal, it's not expecting very much at all. However, there are enough ingredients lining up where we could see some strong wind gusts, maybe some small hail, or maybe a possible tornado. Doesn't look likely, but it's at least possible, so we'll certainly be watching for that throughout the day today. I mean, we're starting off at 69 degrees in Tallahassee, 68 in Thomasville, 67 in Valdosta. It's warm, and we've got that south-southwest breeze bringing in more of the warm and more of the muggy. We're at 70 in Bainbridge and in Marianna. The cool spots like Live Oak and Homerville, 64, so a tight grouping of temperatures way up in the 60s to near 70. Those could be daytime highs, let alone our morning lows. I see some fog around Apalachicola, visibility about a half mile. There's a history of some dangerous thunderstorms through parts of northern and now central Alabama where they've got tornado watches. There are no official watches here. We're just going to keep our eyes on it as this boundary slides into this very warm, humid, and unstable air mass. And those are some of the ingredients needed to get some of those stronger storms. Futurecast, not super optimistic about any kind of widespread soaking rain. I do think there's a pretty good chance we do see at least some scattered showers today, and probably a better chance for some more showers tomorrow before we change the winds and bring in much cooler air. So this little taste of spring that started yesterday, or even back on Saturday, I think is going to go away with so much cooler coming again for the second half of this week. On the Gulf today, winds out of the south 8 to 18, seas 2 to 4 feet. How about those tides? Looks like we've got the low tides first up starting after 6:30. 60s and 70s. We'll put the rain chances around 30 or 40% early. I'm not counting on many before lunchtime, although later this morning those shower chances are going to be on the increase. This afternoon we have our better shot, about a 60% chance, and probably a lot of us will get to the upper 70s before the showers start calming things down. Tonight it's mid-60s, more showers possible, lots of clouds and muggy, not middle of summer muggy, but considering it's late January here, it's going to feel more like maybe late March. Now, as far as the setup goes for these next couple of days, yes, we have our better chances to get wet Tuesday, Wednesday. We should clear out Thursday, and much cooler for Friday. Friday morning, we'll likely see temperatures back in the 30s. Highs on Friday may struggle to get back up over 60. So January's not gone. It's just taking a little break, guys.